You want me to help you?
Oh, excuse me.
I can do it myself.
I'm the expert now.
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today, my Filipino parents are going to do my makeup. They have no idea. By the way, Happy New Year. It is 2023 and next month in February marks my 10-year anniversary on YouTube. We have to do something really, really big. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love on my last video. You guys were saying welcome back. You guys missed me. You guys are so freaking sweet. And thank you for coming along this journey with me. But I thought in today's video would be really special that I have the people that birthed me do my makeup. They are my #1 fans and they should know a thing or two by now on how to do makeup. And I can't believe I haven't done a video like this ever. So without further ado, let's bring in my parents. I have very special guests today. This is Papa Star.
Mama Star!
And this is Mama Star. And today, they are going to do my makeup.
Oh no! What?
You guys have been watching me for almost 10 years now. And everyone's gonna vote who does a better job. You ready?
No.
Yes.
You have to do it.
Let's do this, Papa!
You guys watch all my videos, right?
Yes.
So we'll see where I get my makeup skills from.
Okay, really quick before we begin, if you guys didn't know, I am Filipino. These are my Filipino parents. I grew up here in the United States. And if you guys want to know where my parents are from, because I get so many questions, where's your family from?
From Bicol.
And then you're from?
Bacolod.
Ready?
Ready, Freddy.
Okay. What's first?
I think it should be the face cream, like to make the face smooth.
Okay.
Lar.
That's not the one. First, I love to use this cream by
Wow, Papa
Bobby
Star. So you have to say what you're doing, like YouTube. You're on YouTube finally.
First, we're gonna do
She
this
always wanted a YouTube
cream.
channel, so this is her chance.
I'm actually putting in the what's it called? Secure the blur
Secure the blur.
by One Size.
Where can I buy it?
At Sephora and at onesizebeauty.com.
After the cream, I like to use the Beauty Blur Blanc. Secure the blur. Secure the
I know more
blur.
than you.
By One Size, you can get this at Sephora, and also you can get this at onesizebeauty.com.
Wow.
You copied me.
Years ago, guys, my brothers did my makeup. So comment down below if you guys want my brothers to redo, because they should know how to beat my face.
Peter
What are you
and
doing?
Paul.
And I'm
it's your
actually
turn.
putting in the medium 5G. Turn up the base by
One size.
One Size.
Good job.
This is for the under eye medium. This is turn up the base. Concealer, this is what you need for the under eye.
What kind of look are you going for?
Glamorous New Year's Eve look.
How glamorous.
What do you think?
Just there?
This is this concealer.
What kind of look are you going for, Dad?
A simple look. Oh, this is nice. See? Fantasia collection. I'm doing the eyelid.
Tell everyone what I was like as a little kid.
You're
It's
a very good boy.
classical.
Yeah, because you're the apple of our eyes.
Oh.
We want you to look good. You want to have the
Rustic, then
good
classic.
manners.
Yeah, always singing.
You love to
Disney
sing.
song.
You know, we always play the Disney songs.
Even in the car.
Now I think I need to do a contour.
Tell everyone why I know Tagalog and Ilonggo.
Oh, when Patrick was a toddler, he stuttered, so I brought him back to the pediatrician. And he said, what language do you speak at home? So I said, Ilonggo, Lola speaks Bicol, and we speak English, intermittently. He stuttered a little bit. They would say, like, when we want to say, let's go, then he would say, lakat na ta, or lakat na tayo. And then it's like stutter a little bit. But I think it's the language, the different language that we use. In the end, I think it has its benefits that he's able to speak
Why is it
Tagalog, Ilonggo, English. I'm going to use this little blush here, right? This is Cheek Clapper. I
Chica
love
blush.
this.
Comment down below if you're from the Philippines, where you're from, and maybe I could speak in your dialect.
This is the Fantasia.
Face the camera.
I'm almost done. I'm highlighting his face now.
Who is your favorite celebrity that I've had on my channel?
There's so many. They're all my favorite. It's not
No, you have
fair.
to pick one.
How about if I pick 3? Kim Kardashian was like the top.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I watch it a million times.
That's why it's my #1 most viewed video on my channel.
Kris Jenner, when
Oh.
you did her makeup. 3, Tyra Banks. That was a good one. That's my
We filmed
top
that
3.
here.
Putting in
Wait.
this powder.
From the Fantasia collection.
Fantasia collection? Fantasia?
Fantasia.
Who's Fantasia?
Fantasia. Disney.
You're supposed to know. I've been on YouTube for 10 years. You should know how to do this.
We know how to do
I
this.
know, it's so fast. You're doing it fast and
You do it for 2 hours.
No. You didn't say your favorite celebrity.
Who's your favorite
Dad.
celebrity?
oh, my favorite celebrity, Jessica Alba,
Jessica Alba. We filmed that here. Good.
Pia.
Pia.
Yeah,
Where's
wow, yeah, I
that?
forgot about that.
By the way, Miss Universe is coming up, and I've glammed a very special celebrity, Filipino celebrity. What is your favorite PatrickStarrr moment?
Everything. Everything. I can't choose.
You have to pick
Well, when you launch one size,
one size.
that's
Yes.
a big
Yeah.
one, and of course MAC Cosmetics.
MAC.
I think the very first one was like the MAC when you announced that you have 5 collections, not just one.
And you had a lipstick,
And I have a Mama Star lipstick. That was like
and you had an
really,
eyeshadow.
Yeah.
big moment. Yeah?
And then the last one is of course.
And then number 2,
Fantasia.
A Fantasia, remember?
big deal.
Let's just see the update of the makeup. Moms,
I think that's
This
looking
one's dad.
good. You have to up your game, man.
what did you think when I started YouTube?
That you'd be up all night, so we worry. You know, it's like, I go to bed. It's already like 3 in the morning. And then you have Peter and Paul up until, 5 in the morning? when you
Early
finish.
morning.
What?
Work and work
When you finish
overnight.
working.
And then
I would just be on the computer till like 7 a.m. editing videos. When did you think that YouTube was a good job for me?
when you started with the benefit, getting all those invites
When,
to promote their products, makeup.
When you travel, I think the very first, was it the very first one?
The Bahamas.
The
Yeah, the
Bahamas
Bahamas.
trip with benefit.
But I was surprised when we didn't even know that you have that meet and greet at Orange County Convention Center. Yeah.
Oh, the
Orlando
Orlando Convention Center.
Convention.
So I did a meet
Invited.
and greet in Orlando at Premiere Hair Show.
It was like 8 top winners to see you, and they were
Maybe
so
some people
delighted.
that some were crying and you were stopped by a lot of people to take some pictures with you. But
And
I
that's
didn't
when
even
you
know.
knew that it was real.
Yeah.
You're using blue eyeshadow.
Look at that.
Do people recognize you guys?
Yeah, some will say, "Hi, Papa Star, can we take a picture with you?"
Like that?
Yeah.
And then what do you say?
Sure.
What about you?
Oh yeah, even during the pandemic when I had a mask on, Paul and I was shopping,
Yes.
and somebody recognized me and said, "Is that Mama Star? Can we have a picture with you? I love the blue one size liner.
Zoom into this eyeliner.
Point.
Ooh, wow, looks
Bodacious
good.
black.
You're doing black
Like
eyeliner
black.
too?
I don't know if I should do both, but this is the one in the collection. Black and blue. It's gonna be a hematoma. I have a little wing.
Wow. What are you using on my cheeks? Get the blend. You guys need to practice me at home.
I already did my contour here. Now we need to do the nose.
What are you
Is it this
doing?
one?
Putting
Is it
in
this one for the
contouring your nose with Manila Sands on the one size.
Oh, wow.
Eyeshadow
Is it
palette.
this
Oh,
one?
this is an eyeshadow palette.
Eyeshadow palette.
But it looks good.
I always put shimmer here in my nose.
Okay, what are you using?
I use this one. The Ova. Is it crooked? Crooked. I already did the blush. I already did the, I think I need to do powder. Translucent one size powder. I love this.
Wow, you look like an artist with the hat, Dad.
I think a little touch up and I'm done.
What about my eyelashes?
You know I like long eyelashes.
And we got a Fantasia Fantasize mascara.
Mascara. Mascara. Oh, mascara.
Wow, you gotta put on mascara.
Wait, I need the eyeshadow. Rebel Gray.
You look like a professional with your black outfit.
So many brushes to choose from. But I always go back to these different nude colors. This is like my favorite.
Let's see. Guapa ka na.
That's it?
Color this whiplash
But you have to show the color on the camera.
right here.
This is more bronze. This is more glam.
Oh,
There's
this is my favorite. Did you know,
lipstick.
guys? This is the Made for Shade Trio bronzer. I love this.
What's your advice for parents whose kids want to do YouTube?
Just support them.
Just support what they love to do. That's it. Do your thing.
How do you do this?
I need to put the lash. Where's that lash glue? I love this big lash by Rochelle.
You know how to apply lashes?
Yes.
Wow.
Lipstick. It's not even.
Wow. Professional with the tweezers.
Close your eyes.
Guys, let me know if you want me to do a beginner makeup tutorial so people could learn how to do. Why are you laughing?
This is the brilliant Cushion Gloss Cassin on the clock. Can I be
What
your
else?
assistant?
Are you done?
I'm done.
No spray?
Oh, the spray, yes. This is Until Dawn Mattifying Setting Spray.
Good job.
It's on sale now, guys.
It is.
You want me to help you?
Oh, excuse me.
I can do it myself.
This is so much fun. Ooh, I like this color. How do you like this red? I love red. Last but not least, this is the Until Dawn spray. Voila. And that's the finished look.
Alright guys, this is the finished look and let's see how they explain their makeup artistry. First up, Papa Star.
This is the fall and winter look. It glows and it's fun and it's just a simple everyday look.
Wow.
Next, Mama Star.
I love this evening dinner look. And I like the red lipstick.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down in the comments below who you think did a better job. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more videos with them, with me, with my brothers. Let me know down in the comments. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.